Okay, let's decode this digital 40 lock. The first steps are pretty easy. You have to look for movement. You see that? 6 and 8. There's a little movement in button 6 and button 8. Right when you press this little button down here on the right side. So you can push them down. Oops. Okay, now you'll have to watch out for other numbers in the combination. Now you really can't see any more movement, except maybe for 2, just a little bit. Okay, we can push 2 down. It's in the combination. Okay, so now another way to find numbers in the combination would be to press these buttons down and watch for buttons that go a little further down than the others. One goes a little more. Okay, 2, 3. I push 3, but it comes right back up. 4, it stays down. And let's see, 5 comes right back up. So the combination would be 1, 2, 4, 6 and 8. I turn it. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So we can push 3 right back and 5. Well, this is the combination. And that's how you decode this kind of lock.